Snakes fear people as much as people fear snakes, and mostly the snake is actually trying to get away. There are one or two exceptions though. There are a few snakes in the world that actually grow so large that they can actually constrict and swallow human beings. These giant snakes know no fear and could quite easily swallow a human being with no effort at all.
The reticulated python is the longest snake in the world. It can be identified by its reticulated or net-like pattern. They belong to the family Pythonidae, or as you may have guessed, pythons. They are found in India, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia. These snakes are man-eaters. Yes, there have been cases where reticulated python has killed and swallowed a full-grown human being. The longest snake on Guinness World Record goes to Medusa, a 7.67 meter or 25 feet 2 inch long reticulated python. But these reticulated pythons may grow as much as 9 meters or 30 feet in length. Females are larger than males. Pythons consist of thousands of muscles in its body, which helps in constricting or squeezing the life out of its prey. Their jaws rest on a multi-hinge joint, also called the quadrate bone, that provides incredible flexibility and enables the snake to devour large prey. Unlike mammals, pythons' lower jaws are made up of two bones linked by an elastic ligament, which allows the python to swing their mouths 2 to 3 times wider than its skull when swallowing prey. They have a total of 6 rows of teeth, 2 rows in their upper jaw, 2 rows in their lower jaw and 2 in the roof of their mouths. Their teeth are sharp and curved inwards, perfect for catching and clinging onto prey. Like other pythons, the reticulated python is an ambush hunter, that is, it waits until the prey wanders within strike range and then boom! It strikes with its 6 rows of teeth, constricts and swallows the prey whole. They can constrict with immense strength of 9,000 pounds of pressure or even more, which is equivalent to having a school bus on your chest. The pressure cuts off blood flow to the heart, stopping the prey's heart and resulting in immediate death. But during this process of constriction, not only there is restriction of blood flow, but the prey also asphyxiates or suffocates, and because of such enormous pressure, most of the prey's bones break. Small retics will prey on rodents and rats. Once they surpass 6 meters or 20 feet, they become the apex predators of the jungle and will eat anything they can overpower or swallow, including pigs, deers, goats, etc. In one case, a 7 meter or 23 foot reticulated python killed and consumed a sun bear. There have been cases where retics have killed and swallowed a full-grown human. Depending on the size of the meal, the reticulated python may not eat for another year. The reticulated python is oviparous. Adult females lay between 15 to 80 eggs per clutch. The eggs take an average of 3 months to hatch. Hatchlings are about 61 centimeters or 2 feet in length. They may live up to 30 years. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment. And what animal should I check next?